Hello everyone, today we are going on a picnic at the fieldhouse forest. I got a beach ball from the boot garage. I got some yummy goodies to eat. Golly, that looks amazing, Nayeli. It's a sunflower hat, Ronnie. Okay, a sunflower hat. Now let's get to our picnic. What's wrong, Ronnie? Achoo! Whoa! What happened? I don't know why I sneezed so sad. Bless you. Thank you. Is there something different about you today, Ronnie? Yeah, normally we go on adventures. And thanks to me, because of me, we've got sneezed onto Mount Winter Sports. Follow me. I know how to get back down to the bottom of the mountain. Let's go. Now we can finally have our picnic! Hooray! Let's eat! What do I have in the picnic basket? Not again! Achoo! Rocket ship bones. I just sneezed us on the moon. At least there's a lunar picnic here. Sorry you didn't feel so good, Ronnie. No, I should be sorry. My ridiculous sneezes ruined the entire day for us. Don't feel bad, Ronnie. You have to tell us so your pals can help you get better. Yeah. Well, is it? Wow! Oh, gosh, that was the worst sneeze I ever heard, Ronnie. I know. Hey, wait a minute. Nayeli, can you come any closer? Okay. Achoo! Oh no! I think Ronnie's allergic of my sunflower hat. That's been making him sneeze us all over the place. Nayeli, I think you're right. We need to find a way to get rid of the hat. Let's go inside. Come on, everybody. Let's get rid of that sunflower hat for good to make me cure. worry, everyone. Just the sunflower hat is gone for good. Oh, that pesky pollen in that sunflower hat. How could you flower? Thanks, everyone. And thanks to you, Naomi. Giving up your sunflower hat is the only way to make me cure. And next time, I promise, I will not wear my sunflower hat on our next picnic. Group hug. Aww. This is so much fun. We'll see you on more adventures, everybody. Mwah. See you next time.